Pregnancy is an important period for all women. Pregnant women need to consume a few extra foods during their first trimester. Today in this video, I will discuss the top 10 foods in the first trimester. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel, because it can be a great collection for you. Whole grains are a healthy source of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, vitamin B complex, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and selenium. These are essential for your baby's growth and development. Whole grains include barley, brown rice, and oatmeal. Dairy products are one of the major sources of calcium, vitamin D, protein, healthy fats, and folic acid. Pregnant women should consume dairy products during this time. Women can also add yogurt and milk to their diet to benefit from these nutrients. Fish has low fat and high-quality protein. It is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins B2, D, and E. Fish also includes a few essential minerals like potassium, calcium, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and phosphorus. Eggs are a good source of proteins, and vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, D, E, and K. It is also a great source of minerals like phosphorus, selenium, calcium, and zinc. Poultry eggs are also an excellent source of proteins. Taking raw fruits is very essential during this time, such as muskmelon, avocado, pomegranate, banana, guava, oranges, strawberries, and apples. Apples contain many vitamins and antioxidants, which are necessary for the baby's development. Some vegetables on your plate can ensure your baby's major nutrients. You should include some vegetables on your plate daily, such as broccoli, kale, spinach, carrots, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and peppers. Meat contains vitamin B, proteins, zinc, and iron, which are good for a pregnant woman and her baby. Including lean meat in your diet is very important in the first month of your pregnancy. Seeds and nuts are excellent sources of healthy fats, vitamins, proteins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Pregnant women should consume various seeds during their pregnancy time, such as beans and flax seeds.